Hi foodies, I'm Deepa. I'm gonna make wheat tortilla today. Wheat tortilla is so healthy and can be served like making quesadillas, tacos and burritos and lot many dishes. So let's see how to make wheat tortilla today. I have 2 cups of wheat flour. I'm gonna add half teaspoon of salt to it, a teaspoon of baking powder. This baking powder gives a nice soft texture to the flour. I'm gonna mix this very well so that it's evenly distributed all over the flour. So it's been mixed very well. I'm gonna add some oil. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of oil. You can add butter or whatever you want. You need some shortening agent, so I'm gonna add some oil. I've added exactly a tablespoon of oil and I'm gonna give a nice mix to make sure this flour gets a nice shortening. So here we go. We have mixed the oil very well. I'm going to add nice warm water to this. Make sure the water is warm so that you can easily knead it into a soft pliable dough. You may feel a little messy, but yeah, I love using hands. Make sure to add water little by little and just knead it into a soft dough. So it's been 30 minutes. Look how soft and smooth the dough is. I'm gonna make it into nice big balls. You need your tortillas big. So I'm going to divide it into super big balls. So we have made 8 tortilla balls with 2 cups of wheat flour. I'm gonna again rest it for 10 minutes and let's see next.
Now roll these balls into nice big thin circles and then toss it onto a hot tawa.
Once you see nice bubble coming up, it's time to turn.
Keep tossing it on both sides until very well done. Look at the bubbles. Now transfer it into a plate. Wheat tortillas is nice, soft and ready to serve. You try it at your home and enjoy. Bye.